Tumakas yung budget mo, pumaldo ka ata ng December sir. Actually, when we price this, sabi namin matutuwa ang mga kuha nito. Kasi mura namin makuha. Maganda na yan. Kasi we can sell it. We can really sell it.
Ano yung sa tingin mong naging sikreto mo, edge mo sa pagnenegosyo ng watches? Why you're getting so much success?
What's up guys? Another watch, another day. Dito tayo, may mga guest tayo. Siyempre, si Boss Bix nandito guys, in the house. Si Boss Carl, si Ma'am Chai. Nice to meet you guys. Kamusta? Nagpa-reserve na kasi si Boss Carl, di ba? You got that very unique bluesy namin, di ba? Yung diamond yung indices yan, di ba? Tama?
Pero iba pa yung napili ko nung una.
Ah, really? Ano napili mo una?
Nakalimutan ko yung reference number pero black siya eh.
Siguro it's Submariner?
Yeah,
Submariner din, black. So here is that bluesy. Smurf yung dial nito eh. It's a matte blue. So napaka-unique nito, honestly. And this in the market, so 1.2 million na to ngayon sa market. Down payment na ba kayo for this one?
Actually, yun nga yung December, nag-down ako ng 50,000. Pero iba pa yun eh.
Ah,
Kasi
okay.
to tell you honestly, I'm looking to buy my first Rolex.
First Rolex mo to?
Yes,
Okay.
Pero yung budget ko nila, tinitignan ko mga around 400 plus.
Tumakas yung budget mo, pumaldo ka ata ng December sir. Here, please, try. Actually, it's the first time I'm having that kind of watch. Mahirap siyang hanapin yung may diamond yun.
Anong difference niya for example yung mga year model?
This one is the first ceramic model. Ang pinagkaiba naman ito is solid na lahat and links. Maxi case na siya. At the same time, yung bezel niya of course ceramic na. Up to now, lahat ng Submariner na nire-release is all ceramic na rin. Older model, it would feel a lot lighter. Mas solid to pag binuhat mo. Here's the may factory service extra link. May tag pa siya. Maganda na rin yung presyo niyan.
So pag-usapan na natin.
Yan na sabi ko eh.
Mahilig ako sa watch, pero wala akong alam sa watch until nanonood ako ng mga vlogs mo.
Pakaganda niyan, brother. Honestly, sa market right now is 1.2. 1.098 lang namin binibenta kasi we relatively got it a little cheaper. So, we would like to share that opportunity. Nakuha namin maganda, papakuha rin namin mas mura. So, 1,098,000 is very fat. Pero, I would give it for 1,090,000 sige. Tanggalin mo na 8.
1 billion.
Wala, malayo. Actually, when we price this, sabi namin matutuwa ang mga kuha nito. Kasi mura namin makuha. Maganda na yan. 1,090,000.
1,040,000.
Wow. Kasi we can sell it. We can really sell it. 1,080,000.
50.
I think 1,080,000 is a very, very, very fair price. Presyong kaibigan. Okay na nga daw. Pag sinabi na okay ni Madam, tapos na yun. Done deal.
70.
Wag. Okay na. Nag-okay na siya.
No? Oh, 1,080,000.
And 8.
Okay.
Done. Thank you so much, brother. Maraming salamat. Ma'am, maraming salamat.
Paganda.
Yung commission mo mamaya na. Thank you so much.
Cash namin ngayon dala is 1 million, then nakapag-down ng 50.
Yeah, so 30K na lang. Kahit online na.
Ano yan?
Salamat tayo talaga ako eh. 1, 2,
May question ako. Ano yung sa tingin mong naging sikreto mo, edge mo sa pagnenegosyo ng watches? Why you're getting so much success?
Kasi ang experience when you're purchasing watch is very unique. It's something na a lot of people wish they could have but could not attain given the price value of the watch. Now what I did is I shared to them that experience without them buying anything. So ikaw, nainganyo ka kasi nakikita mo, ganito pala pag bumili. Nakikita mo yung itsura ni sir na nakangiti siya, na excited siya. So it's a part of entertainment. Value siya, educational. Kasi if you see, lagi ako nagtuthrow ng trivia about that watch. Honestly, 90% of mga nanonood ng mga videos nakangiti. Yun yung key dun. Brother, pleasure. Bandil ulit. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much guys. Enjoy your watch. Maraming salamat, Boss Mixan. Ma'am Chan, thank you nakatulong ka sa akin today. We only give this to people na bumili ng luxury watch. Kaya pag nakaganto ang hoodie, alam na nila yan.
Alam nila.
Without you flexing it. Araw-araw bumili nila.
Okay.
So yun guys, done deal. Daming negosyante. Sarap kausap.